Driving here on Meeker Outlet Road in Lehman. March 3rd. March 3rd? I think it's March 3rd. At 10:02 p.m. It is the 3rd. It's definitely the 3rd. Grace's birthday. Alright, we're headed down. Sweet now. See? Whoa. The roads are pretty bad here. The low oil light keeps dinging. I don't know what that's all about. It's been dinging for months. I just say the heck with it. Just keep on driving. I don't worry about the little things. Low oil light. Bing, 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 bing. Just pretend you don't see it. Just keep putting gas in the car and driving. Don't even worry about it. That noise you hear? Don't worry. Full power up the hill. We're going up a steep hill with full power. We're in an Acura SUV. Oh, full power. You could do it, girl. You could do it. My other firewood car that you see in my videos, that is not with me right now. I gotta put the frost on. I cannot see. There we go. We're gonna make it up to the top of 118 here. 118 should look a little bit better than this road. I think all the snowplow guys start drinking early on Fridays, and when their pagers go off, come out and plow the roads. I think they say, fuck it, and then they go to the bar instead. And then regular folks like us are trapped under their reign of power. Yeah, here's 118. You can see this is Route 118. I gotta turn the high beams off soon. We got hot, man. Sorry about that. The wipers are. I gotta turn the high beams off. I can't get a good focus here for you guys. Here comes the plow truck. So, but I tried my best. Alright, well, thanks for the ride home. I'm gonna get off here so we can drive safely on this busy road and dangerous road. Thank you, and talk to you later.